Welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple and beautiful glass bowl in SolidWorks with the help of some basic commands like loft tool command, which is a applied, applied based feature. And if you need a tutorial on how to make the renderings which I have shown in the intro of this video, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on how to render these objects in PhotoView 360. And if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification to all so that you don't miss video from our side. So let's start designing this part. First I will enter into the part mode. Go to file, go to new, select here part, press OK. Now select top plane, go to reference geometry and create a reference plane. The distance will be 100 mm above top plane. Press here OK. Now I will sketch on this plane. Select this plane 1, go to sketch. Now first I will create a circle of dia 300 mm. Select circle. Select this point. Now go to features tab. Go to sketch again. Go to smart dimensions. Select this circle. Its dia is 300 mm. Now again go to circle command. Snap the circumferential point. Create a circle of dia 40 mm. Go to smart dimension. Select this circle and enter the value of 40 mm. Now I will use circular pattern. Go to sketch. Select here circular pattern. Click here. Select center point. Now entities to pattern. Select this circle. Now enter here value. Number of entities will be 24. Here like this. Press here OK. Now I will trim unwanted parts. Go to sketch, select trim entities, trim these portions. This inside of this, all these circles. Again select trim command. Trim these portions. It will take a bit time to trim all those extended parts. Now it's done. Now exit sketch, click here OK. Now I will sketch on the top plane. Select top plane, sketch, go to circle command, select the center point and create a circle of dia 150 mm. Go to smart dimension, select the circle, enter the value 150 mm. Press here OK. Now exit sketch. Now I will hide this plane which I have created. Now I will use loft command, create the profile, go to features, select here lofted boss base. First select this arc. Now select this inside circle, inner circle. Now go to here start and constraint, and start constraint will be normal to profile. Now here enter the value of 1.8 so that it looks a bit circular. Press here OK. Now we will use shell command to make follow. Go to shell command, select this face and enter here value of 1 mm which will be the thickness. Click here show preview. You can see that it is showing the preview. Now press here OK. Now I will apply some appearance to it. Go to here appearance, select, go to glass section and select here glass. Sorry, let me drag it. Yes, let me choose the backplate plain white. Now this is a sharp portion, so we will provide a fillet of 1 mm to all these. Go to fillet, go to fillet. It is taking a bit time. By mistake it has selected the plate face. So now select this edge, this edge, this edge. We have to select all the edges. You can see that it is showing the preview of the fillet. Select all the edges, enter the value of 1 mm and press here OK. Now we have successfully created the glass bowl. If you want to render it, you can use Photo View 360. I have created some renderings. Let me show you. These are some renderings which I have created with the help of Photo View 360 SolidWorks. If you want to know how do I create these renderings, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on how to render the objects in Photo View 360 with proper settings. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification settings to all. Thank you.